How to cancel Reddit subscription. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device, and now tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on the subscriptions option you see there. Now go ahead and locate Reddit Premium and tap the cancel subscriptions option. Further confirm the cancellation to stop future renewals. Make sure that, to avoid renewal, cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing date, as no partial refunds are issued and you can use premium until the current subscription expires. So this is how you can cancel Reddit subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.